Project upgrading and widening of pavement, construction of elevator, BRT lanes including Tongi Bridge and BRT station. Project location starting from chainage 2+600 to chainage 7+100. Total elevated length 4.5 km. In Phase 1, construction will begin from Pier 1 and will end up to Pier 59. Contract data. Traffic management during construction. Start point of elevated flyover from house building. During construction, in the middle 10 meter from the road will be used for construction. At the same time, traffic flow will continue on both sides. To start construction at house building node, the walkway will be removed on the left side. Then, the construction area will be created in the middle. Just before the Tongi Bridge, in first phase, construction will begin in the midsection of the road. Next phase, after completion in the midsection, construction will begin on both sides. After crossing Tongi Bridge, road widening will take place on the left side. After that, construction will begin on both sides. In the next phase, construction will begin for midsection of the road and traffic will flow on both sides. Simultaneously, the half portion of Tongi Bridge extension will take place. Traffic flow is shown here after construction of elevated flyover. At Anarkoli node, construction will begin in the midsection and traffic will flow on both sides. To avoid traffic congestion during the construction, people can take diversion via Dhaka Ashulia Highway, Kamalpara More, Tongi Bypass Road to Gazipur. Thanks for watching.